So coming up next, we're going to talk about blob storage accounts. We've been working with general storage up till now, but we're going to talk about specifically using the blob storage account style. So AZSJD new blob. It's going to go in the same resource group. I'm going to put this one in the Eastern US. Now you'll see that we don't have the access, the ability to switch to the premium storage for blob storage accounts. Okay, I'm going to put that as locally redundant storage. I do have the access, the choice between hot and cold. Security, HTTPS required. It's all the same questions that we're getting from creating general storage at this point. And so I'm going to hit create. So that took about 28 seconds and the storage account's complete. Let's go into the storage account. Now we can see here that it's got its own type. It's called blob storage. Okay, we don't have any access to files, tables, or queues. We only have access to blobs. If we were to create a container, we can call it test container. And when we choose the access level, we can basically allow anonymous read access for blobs. So now when we put files into our test container, then we can basically access those files through the public internet with no secure access, signature, etc. So we're going to do what we did last time. We're going to upload a file into it. Say upload. It worked. Close that, I guess. And we should be able to copy the URL. Hit Control T. I'm going to have to close my thing and access this file without any secure access signature or anything. And so now we can take this URL, embed it in our website, anywhere we need to access a file embedded in public internet. We can now create a blob account, a container, upload the files there, and use the URL without any authentication, security, etc. Now, of course, that's extremely dangerous when you are using files that you want to be secure. But if it's just for images for your website, you can certainly use that to store those files.